Alright, I think we got this going. Let's do it. Alright, so day one, backtesting every day until I'm profitable. I'm just going to keep posting these on YouTube to keep myself accountable. So we're not doing too well right now. We're at a 44% win rate. We were doing pretty well. Um, and then I kind of went on full tilt the other night, which is pretty ridiculous to say on backtesting, but let's just get into it. We got something to improve on, so throw on some of this study music. Alright. Let's go to next New York session. Let's remove all these drawings. Alright, so we're bearish on the 4-hour, reacting inside of this 4-hour fair value gap right here. Just go ahead and mark out previous day high, previous day low. Kind of stuck inside this range, to be honest. So I'd like to see us displace out of this and go take out one of these previous day highs, previous day lows. No news. 1 hour. Still ranging. Let's just go ahead and mark out this 4-hour. One hour ranging inside of this. Clear draw up here. Buy side. Sell side be down here. Overall, we just created all-time highs. We're still reacting off this major bullish 4-hour fair value gap. How much of a retrace have we got? We did react down off to equilibrium. Off the whole move, though, we did get a tap into the 50% mark, so keep that in mind. Just move down to the 15-minute. Low, protected low. We ended up taking it out. Let's get rid of this. This magnet always annoys me. Moving inside here. 15-minute fair value gap that we came up and tapped into. I don't know how realistic it is for us to be going lower, just considering we're ranging inside of this huge 15-minute hourly 4-hour. There's not really too big of a reason for us to come down here. I mean, it's protected low. But we did test this fair value gap a couple times. 15 minutes, reacting off that. No equal lows to watch out for. Scale down. Target this buy side up here. Minor buy side. So honestly, get out my indicator as well. Get this right here. London session high. So I am pretty bullish all things considered, even though I know we are showing bearish price action, I think we do kind of want to come up and tap into this buy side up here. Got an inverse of this 5-minute. I'd like to see us probably come down here off low, get a false manipulation, false 930 swing, sweep out this low up here, get a clear move up higher to come and target this buy side. So let's just see what happens upon my price. Oh my. Well, that is, we did have news. I'm an idiot. Powell spoke, and I shouldn't have even been trading this day. Probably going to continue bullish, to be honest. Yeah, we're coming up for all these highs. I mean, I'm not going to trade this, but I'll see if we can get a 5-minute retrace. 5-minute retrace. Scale down. Still do have targets above. How did I not see that we had news? Scan down to the 1 minute. Either going to want to keep displacing lower. We get a 5-minute inversion. Five-minute inversion right here. Tapped into that 15-minute. This is not something that I would normally take, but I do think that we're kind of just going to flush up to these highs at least. Stop a little bit below just in case we create equal highs. Go break even at this high. That played out. So I wouldn't have usually taken this based off news, but it is what it is. Oh, this was New York AM? Man, I've got to switch around my colors. This is throwing me off. Asian, blue, London. Let's make red. New York AM, green, New York PM. Alright. Any news today that I should be aware of? We do. Of course we do. We have PMI. So we'll watch. So we left this buy side. All-time highs up here. God, turn off these pivots. No, I can't. Took out previous day high. Let's remove all the drawings. This is a protected low down here. So I don't see us really coming down here, but we could. Just because it's a higher time frame protected low, especially on the daily time frame. So we'll see if we want to come down there. We are bearish right now, reacting off of this 4-hour fair value gap, trading inside of it. Got lots of trend line. So I mean, I am pretty bullish, to be honest, just with all this trend line liquidity right here. Reacting off this 4-hour fair value gap, scaling down, reacting inside of this 1 hour. We do have this new week. What is today? Monday. So new week open gap. high, new week open gap low. So we probably do want to come fill this. And then let's pull up ES as well. Just because I do trade SMTs. Yes. So same thing on this. Oh, we actually did create all-time highs over here. So we do have a bearish SMT. Down to this. We are already getting our bearish move. I'm assuming we're just going to want to come fill new week opening gap. New week opening gap. Fill. Could get a minor reaction off of just tapping into it. See us push up higher. Let's do the same thing. Right here. The week opening gap. Fill. Alright. So I could see us probably coming into this new week opening gap, reacting off of it, then eventually we're going to want to come fill it. Probably tap back into this 4 hour. It's a little unnecessary. Probably just react off the new week opening gap. 15-minute. We're just placing heavily low. So I'm looking for some sort of retracement. Equal highs up here. Yeah, I really would just be looking for a 15-minute retracement down to this new week opening gap. We did create an SMT right here. So ES is looking a little bit more bullish. Let's go down to the 5 minutes. Opened up a 15-minute right here. Same thing with ES. Opened up a 15-minute right here. Just go down to the 5 minute. We get a tap into this 15-minute. I want to see it go to consequent encroachment, which we did not. Go into consequent encroachment. That 15-minute. And I'm in the 5 minute. That is not what I wanted to be in. Price did come tap into this new week opening gap. What was I seeing? So price did come tap into this new week opening gap. We also tapped into this 15 minutes. Do get a 5 minute inversion. I just don't like these conditions too much, because I feel like we're going to want to come sweep out this high and tap into consequent encroachment. We do get the 5 minute sweep. I like this. Stops above this distribution candle. Just going for a 1-to-1. Yeah, I do like this. Looking very bullish. I mean bearish. Flushed. Not a bad start. Now price is probably going to come fill this new week opening gap. Whoa. Oh, yes, did. So probably could have seen that this. Yeah. I mean, wow. 5 minute inverse. There's just no move. Yeah, I mean, I got my piece of the pie for the day. Next New York session. Do we have news today? No, no news. 4 hour. 4 hour is still bearish. It is a protected low. But it is kind of a pretty good draw on liquidity. We also got kind of relative equal lows as well that we're creating. We are looking extremely bearish though. Let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour is bearish as well. We just opened up this 1 hour fair value gap. Yes. Also, 1 hour fair value gap over here. What am I doing? I like this. Draws lower. I would like to come sweep this low. Also equal lows right here. $15. 15 minute. We are displacing lower. Could see reaction into that 1 hour fair value gap, come back up, or I could see us just immediately dumping. Opened up this 15 minute right here. As well as this 15 minute that seems to be like we're tapping into. How much do we move overnight? $116 not that much. So yeah, I mean, I'm bearish. Continue. Don't go against the trend. I'd like to see us come tap into this 15 minute fair value gap up here. Before displacing lower, at least. So we did get a tap into the 15 minute on this. Why did my I need to stop syncing these time frames. This is not doing me right. Go back. And I'm frozen. I don't know what. There we go. Okay, so we tap into this 15 minute. Consequent encroachment of the 15 minute. ES fails to. ES is looking like the more bearish index. Also got to sweep of these highs. SMT right here. Okay, sink down. What's our highest time frame inversion? 4 minutes. 3-minute with a great clear inverse. I mean, I'll take this right off rip. Let's let this 4-minute candle close. Respected it. Yes, is coming down for these highs. I mean lows. Yeah, showing heavy buying power. I mean selling power. Gosh. We did get a sweep of these lows already on ES. I mean, you could take this 4-minute inversion right here. Targeting a 1-to-1. I do like it. There's not much reason for us to come back even and go any higher. Go break even. There's a lot of room still on ES to go down. Alright. Pretty simple. Just going for a 1-to-1. That's good. We had the SMT. You got a 4-minute inversion. Clear draw on liquidity lower. Now that we've taken out this liquidity, honestly could look for another pretty great setup, to be honest. Now that we've taken this liquidity out and failed to on ES just because the draw is so much lower. So we do get an SMT. We have buy side up here at London highs. Alright, these lows got swept on ES. Not much reason for us to go much further down, especially on NQ if we do want to respect this 4-hour. From the 15, 5 minutes. Yeah, not much here. We're just very bearish. Let's turn off that P&L. Employment change, PMI, and PAL speaks. I'm not really looking to take a setup here unless it's very, very A+. We inverse this 4-hour. Inverse this 4-hour as well. Tapped into it. We're looking to go lower, to be honest. News might come in and just take us down all the way to these lows. If that's the case, I'm surely not trading this. As far as these lows go right here, do we get a sweep of them? We did not sweep this low. Yes, so we do have a bullish SMT. Off market open, which kind of already did its job, tapping back into that 4-hour. One hour. Do have this high up here. Still reacting off of this fair value gap. This hourly here. Got no inverse of this. Same thing. Just reacting off of this hourly fair value gap. Could use this to displace lower. 15-minute. We clearly are displacing. We just swept through pretty much everything. I mean, this itself would be a good trade. Targeting this low. I'm not taking this, but I will paper trade it. PMI might take us either down or up to sweep out these highs or sweep out these lows. Tap back in. PMI is about to hit. Yeah, and we're up. Took out all these highs. Let's let this play. Let this 5-minute candle close out. Got a sweep of these highs. Got a sweep of these highs as well. Yeah, I'm not taking any of this. Four-hour, we're bullish. Still holding this 4-hour fair value gap. Daily though, we are bearish. Still leaving this previous day low down here. Kind of reacting off this daily fair value gap. Previous day low up here. Previous day high up here. Previous day low. Previous day high. We could be looking for a move up now. We've kind of manipulated into this 4-hour. We took out what we needed to take out. Now we're ranging up. Relative equal highs above. One hour. Reacting off of this fair value gap. We have an hourly below. Same thing here. Reacting off of this fair value gap. Hourly below that we've already tapped into. Failed to tap into it on NQ. 15. Swing high up here. Swing high that we already swept on this. So we get a bearish SMT right here. Which could push us down. We also have a 15-minute down here. I would like to see us tap into this, get a run up higher. That'd be ideal. Nope. Immediately we're displacing to the upside. Just need to let market create some structure for us. Bang, wanted to come take out these highs. I mean, I could look for continuation longs now. I just need to tap into a 5-minute. Nothing, nothing. We took out all these highs. This is a 60-point move. What time are we at? It's only 8:50. But now we have swept out all these highs, which we failed to sweep on ES. I assume we'll keep coming up though on ES. I'm just looking for a 5-minute retracement. We are not gonna get one. Not a single retracement in this whole leg. Still nothing. Still no 5-minute retracement. Still no 15-minute retracement. Wow. There we go. We finally get a 5-minute retracement. It's 9:30. And a 15-minute retracement. Scale down to the 1-minute. Did we take out any major pools of liquidity yet? No, we're just reacting off this hourly for value gap. I could still see us going further though. 4 hour as well. Nothing there. We get a 15-minute. What's our highest time frame inversion? 2-minute. We did get a 3-minute inversion. That didn't close yet. Looks like we're gonna get a 1-minute. We got a 2-minute. 2-minute as well. Probably just gonna chop after this big move. Yeah, I'm not expecting much out of this. Probably, I would like to see a deep retracement. Opened up a 5. As well as right here, we opened up a 5. This just isn't high probability conditions. Yeah, I'm not taking anything. No trade day there. Time is it? 7:38. My goodness, we displaced. Is this overnight? On the daily, took out previous day low. Previous day high up here. All-time highs up here. Daily, same thing. Took out that low. Swing high up here. Disrespected this 4 hour. This is a protected low, so I wouldn't really want to see price come down into this. Same thing, protected low. But I do have to respect it. I am bearish, so, you know. Oh, we created equal lows as well. Scale down. Reacting inside of this 1 hour. Still have equal lows. I don't want to long with equal lows. 15-minute. Reacting off the 30. Still inside of a 15-minute fair value gap. We could come take out this high before displacing lower. Did we barely take that out? No, we didn't. Yeah, we created equal lows. That's my target, I think. That's my draw on liquidity for the day. I'd like to see us come out, take out this high real quick. Okay. Now we took out these equal lows. We came for pretty much everything, to be honest, with that news. My goodness. Well, now we have an SMT. Huge data low down here. Almost relative equal lows. Came out, took out this high. Failed to. Scale down. One minute is our highest inversion. Came out, took out this high. Liquidity sweep, inverse. I do like this. Get a 2 minute. What am I doing? This is one of those plays I'll put my stop at the swing high. Really, you could target data lows, to be honest. ES failed to get to close. Probably wouldn't enter just yet. Now you get the close. Could see a little bit of a retracement. No. Yeah, I just need to get in, I think. Right here. Go break even. Right here. We are ranging. So now I'm not liking this high probability conditions. Probably reduce my risks now down to this predicted high. But we entered in on this fair value gap. Same with this. Took out this low. Stop's going to break even now. Break even. Targeting data lows was a stretch. If I would have just got in right here, where did I have my stops at? 1-to-1 wouldn't have played out as well. This is a protected low now. Highest time frame is this 2 minute. Yes, still respecting it. We didn't even get this 1 minute inversion. Still respecting. Now we inverse the 2 minute. And we get the 1 minute close. I like this. Stops above this distribution candle. Targeting this swing low. Go break even. We have equal highs. I can't short this. Goes against my rules. But we did get a sweep out. Yeah, I can't short this. Nice. Price came out and took out these equal highs. Tap back into this. Now I'd like to see price respect off of this. Nice, we do get the inspection that we were looking for. Still respecting it. Created this 3 minutes. Go down to the 1 minute. Now we're disrespecting. Now I assume a move higher. Take out this. Took out that. About to open up a 5 minute. We do. If I was to take shorts, I'd want to see this. Get inversed. No 5 minute. Highest time frame. Could probably just see price continuing bullish for the day. Range, get a sweep of this. Still respecting this 4 minutes. Yeah. Clearly bullish. Still trending inside of this fair value gap. This is where I could see us come for all-time highs. If this 4-hour candle is very bullish. We also do have this swing high right here. Daily time frame as well. Same thing, reacting off of this 4-hour. What did we do? We just tapped into this 4-hour fair value gap. Could use this as our sponsorship to go higher. Same thing. Tapped into this 4-hour. Use this as our sponsorship to go higher. Equal highs above. I'm 100% bullish, looking for these equal highs on ES to get taken today. We did just inverse this 15 minute right here. Same thing. Get an inverse of this 15 minute. 5 minute. This swing high. Created equal highs right here. We failed. We're looking more bearish on this. I would like to see us come tap into this 5 minute right here. Get rid of this. See if we can get a tap into this 5 minute. We failed to. Price comes up and takes out this. Bearish SMT. Now I'm really looking for a retracement. Might not get it, might just move higher. I don't know what the hell just happened. Yes, take out this liquidity right here. I'm looking for a retracement. I'd like to see us come and retrace down even into this 15-minute. That 5-minute could be a breakaway gap. But even on the 15-minute, we've got nothing yet. Looks like we're just coming for the highs. Any sort of 5-minute retracement. No, failed. We do get a 5-minute retracement now. No, we still didn't. Do get a 5-minute retracement on ES. Yes, let's size it down. Not good structure at all. There you get a break of structure. Triple equal lows. There we go. Retracement into this 15-minute. Retracement into this 15-minute as well. I like that. Disrespect this 15-minute. We could just be going for equilibrium. Equilibrium of the whole move. It's right here. Tapped into equilibrium. Tapped into this 15-minute. I do like that. Now we're forming a 5-minute. Okay, well, we are disrespecting all of these gaps. Is this our 4-hour? Yeah. Came back, reacted off this 4-hour, swept that low. It's now protected. Still respecting the 30-minute. I would need to see price invalidate this 5 minutes. Because I am okay with that. Now we have a bearish SMT as well. There you go. Now you get the 5-minute inversion. Still have this 5-minute that we're reacting off of. But the fact that we tested that and broke that so many times, I do like. Could go longs here. Just not high probability conditions whatsoever. Do like longs here though. Go break even when we tap into this. Already did. Therefore, wow, great trade. Let's do one more. Daily, we're still bullish. Still have the same draws. Kind of just been ranging the last 2 days. Four hour. Still inside of this 4 hour fair value gap. This is protected low. Bullish on the 4 hour. We have this internal high. Well, it's this internal high. 1 hour. That's actually equal highs up there as well. Now I think we want to come for these equal highs. No fair value gaps yet. 15-minute. Did just open a 15-minute. That looks like a breakaway gap. Not really looking for price to come down all the way down there. Same thing over here. Just opened up a 15-minute. I'd like to see a reaction down into this 15-minute where I can get longs. Reacting off of this 5. No, but we did respect this 5-minute on both time frames. 5-minute inversion, perhaps. 5-minute inversion. We're respecting. There we go. Now we get an inverse on both of them. Just target New York AM highs. Same right here. Stops below this low. Targeting this. Go break even when we tap into that. Yes, check out these highs. Realistically, the draw on liquidity is there. We've already got the momentum going towards it. We could see a retracement now into this 5-minute that we've created. Yeah, thank God. Alright, well, that is going to do it for me today. Not bad. Not bad at all. Win rate goes up a little bit. Not a bad session. Alright, that's going to be it for me today. Be back for tomorrow.